It's true. If your score in the IELTS exam is not as high as you would like it to be, and you're looking for some IELTS writing tips and tricks, an incredibly simple trick you can use in your IELTS preparation to help you boost your score in the IELTS test, both in IELTS Writing Task 1 and in IELTS Writing Task 2, is to stop typing and start writing by hand, like this student here. Here's why. It's because handwriting is better than typing for learning and memory. When you write by hand, you synthesize your thoughts better, and educational researchers have shown that this is true for students of all ages. Handwriting helps you to focus, it makes things stick in your mind, and when you form all the different letters individually, you remember more effectively than if you just go tap, tap, tap on a keyboard. So stop typing and start writing by hand. It can help you to make your IELTS writing the best it's ever been, so that it becomes better than it's ever been before. Let me get my pen. Let me get my pen. Right. 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 If you want to make your IELTS writing great, play a trump card and write by hand. And if you make baseball caps, tomato sauce or fountain pens and would like to sponsor this video, please get in touch.